Good morning, students. Unit 5 Correlation and Spectral Densities. First topic autocorrelation. Before we going to see the topic, what is mean by correlation? Correlation is a measure of strength of a linear relationship between two variable, for example height and weight. And what is autocorrelation? The autocorrelation function is one of the tool used to find patterns in the data. What is the difference of correlation and autocorrelation? Autocorrelation function of a signal is defined with respect to signal with itself, and the cross correlation function of a signal is also a correlation of two independent signal with the time shift, generally the time advancement in the two independent signal. First, define autocorrelation function of a random process. If the process x of t is either wide sense stationary or strict sense stationary, when x of t into x of t plus tau is a function of tau denoted by rxx of tau or rx of tau or r of tau, this function rxx of tau is called the autocorrelation function of the process capital X of t. Normally rxx of tau is denoted by autocorrelation function, that is rxx of tau, which is equal to e of x of t into x of t plus tau. Next question, find the variance of the stationary process x of t where ACF is given by r of tau equal to 16 plus 9 divided by 1 plus 6 tau square. ACF means autocorrelation function. By the property x bar square means mean square, equal to limit tau tends to infinity or xx of tau equal to limit tau tends to infinity 16 plus 9 divided by 1 plus 6 tau square. Next, substitute limit tau tends to infinity, we get the value equal to 16. Mean equal to e of x, already we find x bar square equal to 16 to taking the square root of 16, which is equal to 4, therefore mean equal to 4. E of x square equal to rxx of 0, which is equal to 16 plus 9 divided by 1 plus 0. Here substitute tau equal to 0, which is equal to 16 plus 9 equal to 25. Variance equal to e of x square minus e of x whole square, which is equal to e of x square equal to 25 minus e of x, already find the mean value 4, so 4 square 16, so 25 minus 16 equal to 9. If x of t and y of t are two random process with autocorrelation function rxx of tau and ryy of tau respectively, then prove that modulus rxy of tau less than or equal to root of rxx of 0 or yy of 0. Establish any two property of two autocorrelation function rxx of tau. Solution, for any real number alpha, we know that capital E of alpha of x of t plus y of t plus tau the whole square greater than or equal to 0. Here a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, which implies capital E of alpha square x square of t plus y square t plus tau plus 2 alpha into x of t into y of t plus tau greater than or equal to 0, which implies capital E of alpha square x square of t plus capital E of y square of t plus tau plus capital E of 2 alpha x of t into y of t plus tau greater than or equal to 0. Alpha square E of x square of t plus E of y square of t plus tau plus 2 alpha into capital E of x of t into y of t plus tau greater than or equal to 0. Since x of t and y of t are jointly wide sense stationary process, each is a wide sense stationary process. Therefore, the second moment are constant, but E of x square of t equal to rxx of 0 by the property of autocorrelation function capital E of y square of t plus tau equal to rxx of 0. Therefore, alpha square rxx of 0 plus 2 alpha rxy of tau plus ryy of 0 greater than or equal to 0 for all alpha. Since rxx of 0 greater than 0 and alpha is any real number, we have the discriminant less than or equal to 0, which implies 4 into r square of xy of tau minus r xx of 0 or yy of 0 less than or equal to 0. which implies r square xy of tau minus r xx of 0 into r yy of 0 less than or equal to 0, which implies minus root of r xx of 0 r yy of 0 less than or equal to r xy of tau less than or equal to root of r xx of 0 r yy of 0. Therefore, x square minus a square less than or equal to 0, which implies minus a less than or equal to x less than or equal to a, which implies mod x less than or equal to a. Here, which implies modulus r xy of tau less than or equal to root of r xx of 0 into r yy of 0. We shall now prove the two properties of autocorrelation r xy of tau. Property 1. R xx of minus tau equal to r xx of tau. We know that r xy of tau equal to capital E of x of t into x of t plus tau. Therefore, here tau replaced by minus tau. Therefore, r xy of minus tau equal to capital E of x of t into x of t minus tau. R xy of minus tau equal to capital E of x of t1 plus tau into x of t1. Put t1 equal to t minus tau, then t equal to t1 plus tau. Therefore, r xy of minus tau equal to capital E of x of t1 into x of t1 plus tau. Therefore, r xx of minus tau equal to r xx of tau. Property 2. Modulus r xy of tau less than or equal to r xx of 0. In the above proof of the process, replace y of t by x of t. Then we get modulus r xy of tau less than or equal to square root of r xx of 0 into r xx of 0, which is equal to square root of r square xx of 0, which is equal to r xx of 0. Fourth question, check whether the following function are valid autocorrelation function. First one, 25 tau square divided by 4 plus 5 tau square, and second one, r xx of tau equal to t cube plus t square. If r xx of tau is an autocorrelation function, then r xx of tau equal to r xx of minus tau. First, given r xx of tau equal to 25 tau square divided by 4 plus 5 tau square. Here replace tau by minus tau. So, minus tau the whole square we get tau square. So, r xx of minus tau equal to r xx of tau. Therefore, first is valid autocorrelation function. Second one, given r xx of tau equal to t cube plus t square, that is not equal to r xx of minus tau. Here also substitute tau by minus tau. So, minus tau the whole cube means we get minus tau cube. So, this is not the function is invalid. Find the autocorrelation function of random process x of t equal to a sin omega t plus phi, where omega is a constant and phi is a random variable uniformly distributed in 0, 2 pi. X of t equal to a sin omega t plus phi, where theta is a uniformly distributed in 0, 2 pi, which implies f of theta equal to 1 divided by 2 pi minus 0, where 0 less than theta less than 2 pi, otherwise 0. That is f of theta equal to 1 divided by 2 pi, 0 less than theta less than 2 pi. X of t equal to a sin omega t plus phi. X of t1 equal to a sin omega t1 plus phi equal to a sin c, where c equal to omega t1 plus phi. Similarly, x of t2 equal to a sin d. R of t1 t2 equal to x of t1 into x of t1. So, x of t1 is a sin c into a sin d, which is equal to a square sin c into sin d, equal to a square minus 1 by 2 into cos of c plus d minus cos of c minus d, which is equal to minus a square by 2 cos of c plus d minus cos of c minus d. Put it equation number 1. E of x of t1 into x of t2 equal to minus a square divided by 2 capital E of cos of c plus d plus a square by 2 cos of c minus d. Put it equation number 2. E of cos c plus d equal to integral 0 to 2 pi cos of c plus d into 1 divided by 2 pi d theta equal to 0. So, second equation implies r of t1 t2 equal to a square divided by 2 cos of omega of t1 minus t2 which is equal to a square by 2 cos of omega tau, where tau is t1 minus t2. Sixth question, find the autocorrelation function of periodic time function x of t equal to a sin omega t. X of t equal to a sin omega t, x of t1 equal to a sin omega t1, similarly x of t2 equal to a sin omega t2. X of t1 into x of t2 equal to a sin omega t1 into a sin omega t2, so which is equal to a square sin of omega t1 into omega t2, put it equation number 1. Sin omega t1 sin omega t2 equal to minus 1 divided by 2 cos of omega of t1 plus t2 minus cos of omega of t1 minus t2. First equation implies e of x of t1 into x of t2 equal to minus a square divided by 2 capital E of cos of omega of t1 plus t2 plus a square divided by 2 cos of omega of t1 minus t2. Put it equation number 2. We already know that capital E of constant equal to constant. So capital E of cos of omega of t1 plus t2 equal to integral over minus t2 plus t cos of omega of t1 plus t2 into 1 divided by 2t into dt, which is equal to 0 by standard integral formula. So second equation implies r of t1 comma t2 equal to a square divided by 2 cos of omega of t1 minus t2 equal to a square divided by 2 cos of omega tau. Thank you.